Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade oatmeal granola. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 5 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of nuts, and 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. These simple components are the foundation for a perfectly crunchy and flavorful granola that you'll absolutely love. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your oats, nuts, and spices. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk together the maple syrup and oil until they are well blended. Next, pour the wet mixture over the dry ingredients. Stir everything thoroughly until every oat and nut is evenly coated. Finally, spread this mixture onto a baking sheet. It's time to bake your granola to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your baking sheet in the oven and bake for a total of 45 minutes. Remember to stir the granola gently every 15 minutes to ensure it browns evenly and gets that perfect crunch. Once baked, it should look beautifully golden. Let it cool completely on the sheet. Congratulations, you've made delicious homemade granola. Once it's completely cool, transfer it to an airtight container. Stored properly at room temperature, your granola will stay wonderfully fresh and crunchy for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy it as a quick breakfast with yogurt or milk, or simply as a satisfying snack. For an extra treat, consider adding dried fruits after baking for a burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.